Hi guys, welcome to Venki's GK Bank. This is an excellent platform for preparation of IAS, IPS and other civil services exams. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who designed the logo of Aadhaar? A. Pingali Venkaiah, B. D. Uday Kumar, C. Atul S. Pandey, D. Anant Kasbardar. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Atul S. Pandey. Question number 2. Where did Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama first land in India? A. Surat, B. Goa, C. Kolkata, D. Calicut. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Calicut. Question number 3. When was Press Council of India founded? A. 1955, B. 1966, C. 1977, D. 1988. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. 1966. Question number 4. Which is the highest sport award in India? A. Dronacharya, B. Arjuna, C. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, D. Dhyan Chand. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Question number 5. Which one of the below states pin code starts with 2? A. Rajasthan, B. Maharashtra, C. Chandigarh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 6. Which state's capital is Panaji? A. Goa, B. Gujarat, C. Karnataka, D. Tripura. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Goa. Question number 7. Which one of the following states was not formed on 21st January 1972? A. Manipur, B. Meghalaya, C. Tripura, D. Mizoram. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Mizoram. Question number 8. Which is the last month of Saka calendar? A. Vishakha, B. Falguna, C. Magha, D. Chaitra. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Falguna. Question number 9. Which state is located in the easternmost part of India? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Mizoram, D. Meghalaya. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 10. In which river bank Taj Mahal is located? A. Ganges, B. Yamuna, C. Godavari, D. Indus. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Yamuna. Question number 11. Which state's capital is Aizawl? A. Mizoram, B. Nagaland, C. Meghalaya, D. Manipur. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Mizoram. Question number 12. In which year Mother Teresa received Nobel Peace Prize? A. 1971, B. 1979, C. 1982, D. 1994. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. 1979. Question number 13. Which is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Jammu, B. Shimla, C. Srinagar, D. Leh. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Srinagar. Question number 14. Where was Mahatma Gandhi when India got independence? A. Gujarat, B. Shimla, C. Kolkata, D. New Delhi. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Kolkata. Question number 15. Which is the famous festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu? A. Gudi Padwa, B. Onam, C. Pongal, D. Bhai Dooj. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Pongal. Question number 16. In which year Battle of Talikota was fought? A. 1757, B. 1565, C. 1633, D. 1856. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. 1565. Question number 17. Who is the head of the cabinet in India? A. Prime Minister, B. Speaker, C. President, D. Vice President. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Prime Minister. Question number 18. Which island was renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island? A. Rutland Island, B. Viper Island, C. Ross Island, D. Neil Island. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Ross Island. Question number 19. Which day is celebrated as National Science Day in India? A. 5th June, B. 3rd July, C. 28th February, D. 28th June. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. 28th February. Question number 20. Which Indian pilot was held captive and released by Pakistan in 2019? A. Nagaswamy Shankar, B. K.P. Muralidharan, C. Devaprasad Chatterjee, D. Abhinandan Vardhaman. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Abhinandan Vardhaman. Hope you got some insights on how to prepare for IAS, IPS, and other civil services exams. For more such content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Venki's GK Bank. You can also subscribe to our Telegram channel, link in the description box. Thank you.